Factor affecting the shrinkage of concrete. There are several factors which is affecting the shrinkage are as follows. One is water cement ratio, second one is cement content, third one is relative humidity, fourth one is type of aggregate, fifth one is size and shape of the specimen, sixth type of cement, seventh admixture, eighth storage and curing condition, ninth time, 10th reinforcement, 11th other factors. First, water cement ratio. The water cement ratio is a major factor which is affecting the shrinkage of cement paste concrete. For concrete, shrinkage varies directly with the water cement ratio. For any given percentage increase in the amount of water in concrete, the shrinkage is increased by about double that percentage. Second, cement content. Higher cement content increases the shrinkage. On an average, the percentage increases in shrinkage is about half the percentage of increase in the cement content. Third one is relative humidity. The shrinkage increases with the decrease in the humidity, and immersion in water causes expansion. Fourth, the smaller the size of aggregate particles, the greater the shrinkage. The greater the aggregate content, the smaller the shrinkage. If concrete using limestone, which shrinks once, whereas concrete using sandstone shrinks twice, an increase in maximum size decreases the shrinkage. The grading and shape has little effect on shrinkage. Fifth, size and shape of the specimen. The size and shape of the specimen affect the rate of drying. It is observed that shrinkage decreases with an increase in the size of the specimen. Sixth, type of cement. The rapid hardening cement shrinks more than the others. Fineness and composition of cement affect the rate of hydration but not shrinkage. Seventh, admixture. Shrinkage increases with the addition of calcium chloride and reduces with time replacement. 8. Storage and curing condition. Shrinkage takes place over a long period. Some movement has been observed even after 28 years, but a part of long-term shrinkage may be due to carbonation. The rate of shrinkage decreases rapidly with the time. 9. The rate of shrinkage decreases rapidly with the time. It is observed that 14 to 34% of 20-year shrinkage occurred in 2 weeks, 40 to 80% of the 20-year shrinkage occurs in 3 months, and 66 to 85% of the 20-year shrinkage in 1 year. 10th, reinforcement. Due to shrinkage, steel develops compressive stress and concrete develops tensile stresses. The tensile force being equal to the compressive force, due to tensile force, the resultant shrinkage is less than for plain concrete. And the last one is other factors. The stream curing has little effect on shrinkage unless applied at an higher pressure.